test it.
So, ṣé ká bá ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń yọ àwọn ilé ìpínlẹ̀ variable container ní variable àwọn afẹ́ nǹkan pamọ́ sí nínú tí n bá ní variable kan báyìí lọ́dún mọ̀ lọ́dún pé kó bá mi create container kan tó ń jẹ́ a kó bá mi fi equals to kó bá mi fi 5 equal to yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ ló máa gbé nǹkan sínú ẹ̀ àwọn kó bá fi 5 pamọ́ sí inú ẹ̀
keep it. Tí a bá wá rí another a yìí níbòmí ní in the next future nǹkan ṣé ayé gbà pé 5 náà ni àbí tí a bá tún fi nǹkan mi sí tó yẹ pé a is equals to 6 a is equals to 7 a is equals to 10 tó kàn list lọ́wọ́ yẹn.
ilé alọ́yọ̀ kan tó bá wà ní ẹ̀kọ́ àfi 7 sí.
The latest one gan ló máa recognize sí gbogbo ní ìtasọ̀ lókè nísìnyí ó ti gbàgbé ẹ̀.
equals to yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ ló important fún mi rẹ̀ equals to yẹn ló ń fi nǹkan pamọ́ sí inú ẹ̀ tí ó bá ti sí equal to tó bá pé kì í ṣe pa lò báyìí tàbá pọ̀ sọ pé print a lọ wá nǹkan tó wà nínú wa bó tó bá ti lè rí pé equal to báyìí ó mì pé nǹkan tó bá ti wà wájú equal to ìbáwá pamọ́ sínú a lọ yọ nǹkan tó bá wà ní inú ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ dànù a wá fi last one yẹn sínú ẹ̀ so tàbá wá ní pé print a pípé kò sí equal to níbi ó máa tó nǹkan tó wà ní orí which is 5 tó wáyé pé báyìí náà ni print a lọ print nǹkan tó wà ní orí which is 2 but tàbá sọ pé a lọ yọ nǹkan tó bá wà ní ẹ̀dá ni a fi 10 pamọ́ sí inú ẹ̀.
The latest one again.
Wá sọ báyìí.
Yes.
Equals to la fi nǹkan pamọ́ sí inú ẹ̀. So nǹkan tó bá ti wọ́n bí báyìí a lọ fi pamọ́ sínú a.
Okay sir.
So a equals to a plus 2.
Yes sir.
A equals to kí ni a 10. 10 plus 2. A á jẹ́ 12 a lọ fi 12 pamọ́ sínú a. You understand?
Then
one print a máa fi wà ní 12. Ṣé ní any question? So now lórí task ìwé ìgbà yẹn wọ́n sọ pé náà equals to enter a number. So you have enter, let's say 5. Ó make a number jẹ́ 5. Ó máa fi equal to ló ń fi nǹkan pamọ́ sínú a. So máa fi nǹkan tí you have enter síbi accept sí num jẹ́ 5. Our check is not greater than 0. Yes. Because that condition is to action control 1. I print num, which is 5. Num equals to num minus 1.
Therefore,
num máa jẹ́ 4. To padà wà ní it's 4 greater than 0. Yes. After printing now. 4.
3.
No, I think 3.
It's to padà.
So it's still greater than 0. Yes.
After
printing now 3. Num equals to num minus 1. Num at 2. It's 2 greater than 0. Yes. After printing now 2. Num equals to num minus 1. Num at 1. Is 1 greater than 0. Yes. After printing now, which is 1. Num equals to num minus 1, num minus 0. Is 0 greater than 0? No, our stop. So,
question here, only why at the loop no me no why and if? Why? Why and if me? We give much of everything.
Tell the user now this assignment. Tell the user to enter the upper limit. The user might enter
upper limit.
Then tell the user to enter where to stop abruptly.
Yes.
Second number. If the upper limit is higher than the second number, display all the numbers from 1 to the upper limit. If it is not, display all the numbers from 1 to the second number.
Question in the
first, tell the user to enter the upper limit. Upper limit.
second.
Next, tell the user to enter where to stop abruptly.
Stop
Let's call
limit.
it second number.
Okay.
Enter. That will need abrupt point.
Okay.
That'll be a better one. Right. Now, look at our question. If the upper limit is higher than the second number, that is the abrupt point, display all the numbers from 1 to the upper limit.
Yes.
If it is not, display all the numbers from 1 to the second number. So, for our question, ṣe ẹ̀yin fẹ́ tà láti ṣe based on bó ṣe kọ́ sí ní báyìí like based on ma sọ pé if kìnìkan a lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ in fact that will make it easier to understand in fact because mo kọ́kọ́ wò nìyẹn pé okay ẹja follow approach yẹn ọ̀tọ̀ ní approach mo kọ́kọ́ tó wá sí mi lọ́kàn initially but I think that problem mo ti pẹ́ face ni pé ẹ̀yin follow exactly pé if the upper limit is now ẹ jẹ́ ká lo approach yẹn so that at least I think that will be better. If the second limit is higher than the second, if the upper limit is higher, if upper limit is higher than the second, is greater than
the abrupt point.
Then I want to question. Display all the numbers from 1 to the upper limit. So I want to say, so while I think from 1, I think display all the numbers from 1. Okay, while upper limit is greater than first way, as long as upper limit is greater than I want to screen, okay. When none equals to 1, upper limit is greater than none. Right. Point none equals to none plus 1. So I think we're able to enjoy now. So Omar so pé the upper limit is 10 by check it. And above point, let's say it is 5. Is 10 greater than 5? Yes. Omar check out one even. I guess we're able to enjoy now, which is 1. I should bring a lay.
Okay, but I'm getting more. Why does it bring in more?
Yeah, because I increase the value here. Because don't share by 1. Ali sọ pé problem tá facing. This is where ibi ó yẹ yín débi ó yẹ yín débi.
Wala.
Now nǹkan tá fẹ́
get in be gbede be yẹn.
Now a fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ó print 1 for. Tó bá ti wá print 1, a tún print 2. Tó bá ti print 1, a tún print 3.
The upper limit.
The upper limit fún ma dé 10. Can you put 10 ní upper limit?
Ma declare 1 to 10.
Now, ẹ mọ̀ pé tá bá ní kó print 1 by easy, right?
Yeah, that one's easy.
But can you 100 ní upper limit? Ko agbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kí kíní kó wà dynamic.
Okay.
As you understand, kó wà dynamic. Kó jẹ́ kó tó máa lè change tó máa lè máa ṣe on its own. Right. So kó tá wá a fi create container kó tá máa keep number yẹn.
Okay.
Number yẹn àkọ́kọ́ create container kan. Mo àkọ́kọ́ fi 1 pamọ́ sínú ẹ̀. Tó bá tó ti two loop yẹn run again, kó tó sọ di 2. Tó bá ti run kó tó sọ di 3. So after máa increase lẹ́yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan títí ó ṣe máa increase a máa add 1 more 1 initially. Later fẹ́ sọ di 2. Later fẹ́ sọ di 3. Títí afẹ́ kó máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí ó fi máa kan upper limit. Tó bá ti kan upper limit yẹn àwa fẹ́ ní pé kó stop. Ẹ ti understand me? Ìdí tá fi create variable kan jẹ́ norm yẹn ni. Nǹkan tó bá kọ̀ wà ní norm yẹn àkọ́ máa print jáde. Norm yẹn àkọ́kọ́ jẹ́ 1. Later ní kó increase ẹ̀ kó sọ di 2. Later kó sọ di 3. Nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. So ìyẹn norm yẹn la fẹ́ máa increase. While norm is lesser than equal to upper limit times num. Num equals to num plus 1. So 1 is lesser than or equal to 10. Yes, according to num, which is 1. Num equals to num plus 1. Num are the 2. As padà wá rí bíbá. Is 2 lesser than or equal to 10? Yes. Times num, which is 2. Num equals to num plus 1. Num are the 3. So what's your machine to from my day 10? Now, else, because condition doesn't when you start something like display ordering if shower for them.
Kan tí mo ń wá ẹ̀rù lè ẹ̀rù àtẹ̀sí ní ìjọba.
Each task ló máa approach tá máa lò.
Mo kàn rántí pé ẹ̀ ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí tó jọ báyìí. Má bínú ẹ̀ máa continue.
So now àti parí ti ta àkọ́kọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Next one sọ pé else if the upper limit is higher than the second number, the numbers on this. If it is not, display all the numbers from 1 to the second number. So I say else while we just do the same thing. I'm not like to show. Now because the only difference instead of that my local limit back our low approach while none is lesser than or equal to abrupt point. Point none. None equals to none plus 1. So that's it. Shani, any question? Show you in that. But why this work? Why this work? If I like even one is cat test again. Are there any bug? Are there any bug? I still have a limit, I said 10. I still have 5. So in this case now, 1 to 10 layer is it while upper limit is higher and display the numbers on 1 to the upper. If it is not, okay. 1 to 10. But can you put a block point lower higher? Let's say this is 7 and then this is 20. So my dear 1 to 20, then you can right? 1 to 20. Based on this question, I think there is even question. This is not really got to mind that question, but based on this question, opposite sí kan tá ṣe gan fẹ́ ṣe. Opposite kan tá ṣe pé tá bá ti dé tí àwọn point bá wà lower than the kó stop ní abrupt point.
Yo kò sí báyìí.
Kó stop ní abrupt.
Kókó bí a tó láti bí 1 to 4.
No, 1 to 7.
I did 1 to 7 kò ní jẹ́ 1 to 10.
20 and opposite. Based on this question, sha. Now, for problem kan wá. Nǹkan tó wà níbí. Náà ló wà ní.
The same thing náà ni. You. Yes, mo get it.
It's not a good thing programming.
Okay.
I'm have to the same code call. Because code kan wà níbí.
Ọ̀nà ló wà nísàlẹ̀.
Náà la kọ sí ibi rẹ̀.
But ọ̀gá ṣé mo ní pé second number yẹn tó jẹ́ 7 àbí abrupt point kò yẹ kó ṣe dé bí ibẹ̀ yẹn mọ́ náà.
No, this is working based on this question. The question says if the upper limit is higher than the second number, display all the numbers from 1 to the upper limit. So can it 10 I enter as the upper limit? The second number I get 5. Display from 1 to the upper limit to 10. Yeah?
Okay. The second one in.
Else, if it is not, that is, display it from 1 to the second number, that is to the abrupt point in this case.
Yes.
So can you go abrupt point, the lower higher none, you display from 1 to that abrupt point, and that is what
abrupt point, not the one where
so
we turn abrupt point.
So yes, this is working based on the question.
Correct.
No, this is not a bug, right? For optimized.
Okay.
Koyaki Amatu, the same code. Okay. So I'm going to adjust the code in such a way tó jẹ́ pé ó yìí máa ṣiṣẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ like but kò ní gùn tó báyìí but it's not even torí kó gùn ní problem kó délé gùn but kò yẹ ká máa tú the same thing kọ the problem right now. So this was what I was thinking initially tí mo kọ́kọ́ rò ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ but mo wá pé it's better kí n try láti implement it based on the question bó ṣe sọ ó máa jẹ́ kó easy for you to understand better than this.
Okay.
Now but mo máa ní nǹkan tó máa ń sọ tá a bá kọ́ programming mi ì really fẹ́ fọkàn sí pé mi ì really fẹ́ yẹ kí student fọkàn sí pé kí ẹ fọkàn sí code optimization láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ first problem yìí ni pé kó ṣiṣẹ́ ní ọ̀nà tí ó jẹ́ pé ó yé yín ó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin lẹ́kọ́ tó fi ṣiṣẹ́ that's the primary thing. Tẹ́ bá ti lè fix yẹn optimization ó máa wá naturally ni ìdí tí mo ṣe ní ọ̀kẹ́ ká proceed pẹ̀lú eléyìí ni but wọ́n á fẹ́ ti yín ṣé ká fi lè bá because tẹ́lẹ̀ bá yẹ yín ìgbà míì bàbá introduce another way ó lè wà lè dá gbogbo ẹ̀gbọ́n ọdún padà tẹ́lẹ̀ bá yẹ yín dáadáa a lè fi lè bá
mo rí lẹ́kìlẹ̀ ṣé ìkejì náà tó tún fine náà àbẹ́ kí n èwo lẹ fẹ́ dì mú ó lè fine
ó lè yẹ yín
dáadáa ó yé mi gidi torí mo ti ń lo tẹ́ dáadáa
so that's it ṣe ní ìbéèrè kankan ẹ jẹ́ ká wá sọ nǹkan tó wà mind ká ṣe wá ṣe nǹkan tó wà mind mi gbà tí mo béèrè question lọ́wọ́ yín it is similar to this anyway it's very similar to this the only difference is that opposite nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣe la ṣe that is tí upper limit tó bá wà higher than the abrupt point kó stop near abrupt point
yes
so we just change this to if upper limit is okay greater than this since we put the only difference one maybe we just change this to and we change this to so this will give us what we want. So let's send it and then set it together. Enter the upper limit, let's say 20. Enter the upper limit, can you pay 8? So in this case, 8 will equal to 2 will equal to 20. That's working. Let's look at the opposite. What if this is 5 and this is 15? In this case, 15 will equal to 2, 5 will equal to 2, will equal to 15.
Yes, so the upper limit.
Upper limit, exactly. Good. So this is what I had in mind. But I'm a big question.
Thank you, sir.
Ṣé mo lè fún yín níṣẹ́ mi lè lórí?
Àwọn assignment ẹ̀ fún mi assignment. Ìyẹn tó mi tí kọ́lá mèlè lọ nígbà máa tó gún bí dáadáa.
So here is the task. Ẹ máa ní kí user kọ enter number kan. So ẹ máa display multiples of 3 from 3 to the number.
Okay.
For instance, can user enter 20 right? Ẹ máa display multiples of 3 after 3 to 20. That will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And then I start see if